Here you go, guys. Pandem Rocket Bunny S13 Wide Body Kit. It's a V1 or V2 kit? V2 kit and Pandem chassis mount wang. Holly's becoming part of the big wang gang. Unboxing.
Bumpers, side skirts.
I'm surprised they didn't use a bunch of peanuts and stuff.
This is both side skirts.
That's the skirts?
Yeah.
Not part of the wang. Ooh. I mean, they know what you got. It's difficult to order from Pandem because she has a 240SX coupe, which they don't have anything like that in Japan. They have the 180 and the Sylvia, which of course the Sylvia is a different front end than the 240SX coupe.
Over fenders also for 180.
Yeah, that makes sense because you need the 180 front fenders. That's the front.
Okay.
Then you need the Sylvia rear.
This is
Another front, so that should be 180. Hopefully when we get to the rears, they are Sylvia. Say Sylvia.
180 SX rear.
We might have a problem. I hope not. Made it very, very clear. We'll see. We'll unbox it. We'll line it up with the car.
Okay, another rear. The front bumper. I will just see what I wanted. Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Brand new. More crack bumper.
Her car currently has a Rocket Bunny kit on it, so it's in rough condition.
Okay. 180 conards.
I'm guessing this is the big wang, the heavy part. Hardware for the wang.
Rear diffuser.
Ooh. Yeah, she got, so what's all in here is the full kit, front bumper, side skirts, over fenders, front canards, rear diffuser, rear canards, and chassis mount wing.
So this is the wing.
Wing hardware. 666 Rocket Bunny.
Oh shit, I'm not using this on my car.
Self tappers.
Hell no.
It is getting some riv nuts.
Those are for the canards. Oh shit.
All kinds of stuff still going on in here.
What did they send me? So this is the wing.
Hold that. You got to see the length. Stand it up side to side next to you. So it's on the ground. What's taller, you or the wing?
Not one.
Her wing is wider than she is tall.
Okay.
What is this? Is this the front
This
splitter?
is the front splitter.
Hoo-wee!
Yeah. Front splitter. Well, they call it a front lower.
And what is
It's
this?
like a freaking Tetris. Oh my god. This is going to be the 666 part.
Oh, the.
Side wing.
Oh, for. Okay. Some of the mounts for the wing.
Yeah.
And did they give you any merch or anything?
No, I don't want any stickers. Every time I order, they use one.
I know. I just thought maybe, you know. Well, there it is, guys. The car goes into the body shop on Friday. Today is Wednesday. It's probably going to be down for a few months for body and paint.